Hey, what's up YouTube? So just doing a quick video with the all black Peak Design 6-liter everyday sling bag that I just ordered on Amazon. I think it was going for like $119 or somewhere around there. And basically I just got this bag because I have a backpack, a lower pro backpack that's just too big and bulky. I don't like to really kind of take it with me everywhere I go because I don't need that much equipment to really take with me on the go. I think what really kind of solidified my decision is yesterday we took the kids to the fair and I just kind of wanted to bring just my everyday carry 24 to 105 lens f4. It was during the day when we went, so no need to really bring a prime lens or anything like that. And I took my backpack with me, and I mean, it was just a pain in the ass, just kind of lugging it all over the place. I kind of hated to either take my camera out, or I just didn't want to have to be taking it out, putting it back, take it out, put it back type of thing. So I ended up just wanting to go with something smaller. So I ended up seeing this. It had pretty good reviews, so I said, you know what, let me just pick it up. I was kind of initially wanting to get the 3-liter bag, but then I just read, but I went with the 6. I tend to find that going right in the middle is usually the best option. So I do think that the 6-liter bag will pretty much hold everything that I probably need to carry. If I'm not bringing an additional lens, then I pretty much can carry this flash with this mag bounce. So these two are imperative when I'm on the go.
All right, so for anybody who's ever owned any of the Peak Design products, whether it's the camera strap, the slide, the messenger bags, the backpacks, they make very comfortable products. So from an aesthetic purpose, don't expect anything less than that. For me personally, the 6-liter bag, I just appreciate a little more having that little extra space compared to the 3-liter. And for the 10-liter bag, that was just too big for me. But it does also come with 2 flex fold dividers. It comes with the quick adjusting strap. And then it also has the tablet sleeve. But honestly, I don't think that it will comfortably hold a camera, extra lens, and a tablet. So it's, if you do decide to bring a tablet, you're probably not going to fit an extra lens in there. So just kind of keep that in mind. All right, everybody. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So for setup 1, we went with a mag bounce, my Godox V863 with the mag grip on it. And then on the other side, we have my Sony A7 IV with the half a cage and my Sony G Lens 24 to 105. And then for setup 2, we have my Sigma 85-14 prime. And then we were able to fold down that divider. And then on the top shelf, we were able to put the Tamron 17 to 28. And on the other side, we were able to fit the Sony 35GM14 prime. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. When you guys are packing light and you only want to bring a specific number of items, what are you guys bringing? What bag are you going with? Are you going with the 3-liter or even the 10-liter? You know, what do you need to bring as a photographer when you need to get the job done? These conversations are always interesting. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. If you got any questions, drop them below in the comments. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.